Hi everyone, I'm Emily. I'm making my first vlog today, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm really lucky to own 3 horses. I own a lovely pinto, paint gelding called Splash, and that's Splash behind me in this yard. And I also own a gorgeous black Andalusian. That's him, that's KitKat. And a buckskin Hanoverian gelding named Champion, but Champion is in the gelding's paddock. So the first thing that I do when I get to the stable is give all the horses their breakfast. And for that we'll need to go into the feed room. Okay, so here you can see I've got all 3 horses' breakfast loaded up into this wheelbarrow because they're all in separate parts of the stable. But I'm just going to explain what is in their feeds. So for Splash's food, which is the one on the top, he gets gum nuts, oats, Rocky Mountain Crunch, and a few supplements. Those supplements are being linseed oil and cocoa soya. And Champion gets the same, but KitKat has the same as that, but we also add some Valerian Calm because he can get really stressed out, and it's not very good for his mental health. So I always give him just a little bit of Valerian Calm. Alright, so let's go give this to them. Hello, Splash. There you go, buddy. Since Splash is in a yard, I've given him some grass because the other horses are in paddocks. Aside from Popcorn, Popcorn's the only other horse in a yard. So these two get extra grass and haylage because obviously they don't have as much food to eat during the day. Now let's go give KitKat his food. Hello, buddy. You can share that with Midgie. Hey, boy. Midgie is the little bay pony back there. He's actually called Midget, but we just call him Midgie for short. And he is KitKat's paddock mate. Alright, the last horse we need to feed is Champion, so let's go to the gelding's paddock for that. There's Champion. Hello, Champion. Oh, hi, buddy. Here's your breakfast. There we go. Alright, so I'm just going to take this wheelbarrow back to the feed room so other people can use it. And then I'm going to put on their summer rugs. Their rugs just help to get rid of the flies. Only Splash and Champion have summer rugs because KitKat's not bothered by the flies. And Splash and Champion's rugs are in the storage room above the office, which is over there. So, seeing as I'm in the office, I'm going to pay for my horse's board this week. Hi, Yana. Hello, Emily. How can I help you today? I'd just like to pay for Splash and Champion's board. Sure, this week rounds up to $320. Thank you very much, Yana. Ding! Thank you. I'm just going to go up to the office and get the rugs for my horses. Sure, no problem. Okay, so I'm just climbing up the ladder, and here is the hayloft, aka the storage room. So this big pile of rugs are where Splash and Champion's summer rugs are. I just need to do a bit of digging around and find them. Okay, I've got them. I don't know if you can see me, but yeah, I have got them. So now I'm just going to go down the ladder and go put these on the horses. Hello, Splash. Do you want your summer rug on? Are the flies annoying you? Good boy. Such a good little pony. Alright, now let's go put Champion's summer rug on. Hello, Champion. Good boy. Alright, so both Champion and Splash have their fly rugs on. I'm going to wait around just a little bit longer until Champion's finished eating, and then I'm going to go ride him. Hello, Cookie. Hello, girl. Cookie is the stable's golden retriever, and she's super sweet. Alright, so Champion has finished eating. Splash is a really slow eater, by the way. So Champion's finished eating, and now I'm going to go catch him from his paddock. Here I've got his halter, so let's go. Okay, so today I'd really like to do a bit of trot to halt transitions and some cavalier jumping. Hey buddy, do you want to do that? Come on, champion. Good boy. I'm just going to put this here so that I can put it back on once we're finished riding. Alright, so here is his saddle. It's a general purpose GP saddle and it's really comfortable to ride in. Okay, I'm just going to check it's aligned with his back. Yep, that looks good. Alright, that looks aligned. When you put on a saddle, it's best to make sure that it looks aligned from the back. Okay, now I'll just do up his girth. Alright, and now I'm just putting on his bridle, but he's being very difficult about it. Champion, I'm trying to do up your throat latch. Alright, I am ready to go. 1, 2, 3. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, let's go. Alright, so I'm out in the courtyard and I'm just walking him around to warm up. Good boy. Trot, champion. Canter. Alright, so he is all warmed up and now we're going to set up a few cavaletti jumps. Alright, there's the jump and now I'm just going to bring him in a circle. Canter. Alright, so he handled that really easily, so I just set up a crossbar and I'm going to take him over that now. Okay, so I've now set it up to an upright. Good boy. Good boy. Alright, so I think I'm done with Champion now. I'm going to pop him back in his paddock and now we're going to do some crazy cross country with Splash. I don't think I'm going to have time to ride KitKat, but I will lunge him later this afternoon, I think. Alright, let's see if I can mount from the ground. 1, 2, 3. Yay, I did it. I mounted Splash from the ground. Good boy. Okay everyone, so I've tacked up Splash and in front of me we have a cross-country course. Champion is in his paddock over there and you can see I put his rug on and I'll do the same for Splash once I've finished riding him. Alright boy, let's start warming up. Alright, we're going to go over the first jump. Good boy. And the second one. And the third. And the last one. Good boy, Splash. Good boy. Stop. Wow, he did really good, especially for a warm-up course. So we're going to do it again this time, except we're going to go a lot faster. Jump number 1. Jump number 2. Jump number 3. Jump number 4, and I'm going to retake jump number 3. Good boy. Good boy. That was a good round. So he went nice and clear, and he wasn't hesitant, and that gallop was very impressive. I'm very pleased with that. Good boy, Splash. Alright, so we're just going to do the course again, just in a different pattern. Alright guys, Splash has been thoroughly exercised and he's done such a good job today. I'm really pleased with him. In you go, Splash. Okay, so now I'm going to take up KitKat because I think I'm going to have enough time after all. So we're just going to do a little bit of show jumping, I think, or maybe some dressage. Good boy. Okay, so we're just warming up a little bit. Over KitKat. Good boy. Alright, so this one is 2 holes higher than the last, so it's quite high. I think it's about 1.10 meters high. Let's go, boy. Good boy, you handled that so easily. Let's go, boy. Good boy. Whoa, whoa, slow down. Whoa, easy there. Sheesh, there's no need to buck, boy. It's alright. Let's go, come on. It's not scary, it's just a jump. KitKat's a stallion, so he gets kind of crazy sometimes. So he just had a little bucking fit before. It's really scary when it happens, but I managed to calm him down every time, and he's back to his normal self, so I think it's okay. Good boy. Easy there, buddy. You're so excited. Calm down, we're not trotting, we're just walking. Okay. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Like it if you enjoyed watching. Bye!